Hey YouTube, welcome to another video from Skinny Medic. I'm definitely excited to make this video and a little sad, to be honest with you. The Skinny Medic response truck is no more. Sold it. But I got a new one. It's not really a truck, it's kind of a weird mix between a Jeep and a truck. It's a Jeep with a big back end, what one of my buddies said. So I'm excited about the new ride and I want to show it to you guys. And I do appreciate Personal Defense Network for sponsoring this video. They have an amazing offer for my fans here on the Skinny Medic YouTube channel. Sign up for Personal Defense Network Premium Membership, which is an exclusive deal, and get a full year of the premium membership for only $2. That's 98% off of the normal price. So visit the link down below for more information of this great offer. You're going to join a community of thousands who are committed to developing their personal defense and firearm training skills. Premium membership gives you access to hundreds of full-length videos led by expert instructors in their field. Their video topics include emergency medical techniques, armed and unarmed defense, firearm training, security techniques and tactics for your home or workplace, defensive gear, and much, much more. So I'll put a link down below. Again, it's only $2 for the entire year for this membership. I think that's a great deal. So this is my new ride. This is a 2020 Jeep Gladiator. And it already has a bunch of stuff done to it. So that made Mrs. Skinny Medic super happy. We'll start up front right here. We have a aftermarket bumper already, which I liked. Have the fog lights ready to go there. Has a 9,500 pound winch on there. It's made by Havoc. I haven't even used it yet, to be completely honest with you. This is my first time having a winch with a synthetic rope line. So I'm curious to see about that. Most of the time the winches I've had the steel cable. So definitely a change there, but I'm excited about using it. I already had the aftermarket LED headlights. I thought that was one problem that these Jeeps have, is the headlights are not very bright. So I was glad to see this Jeep already had aftermarket headlights. And we are running the Toyo Mud Terrains. These are 37 by 1250 by 17s, and that's a big tire. Definitely the more I looked at this Jeep, I was excited about the copper wheels. Something different. I've run black wheels for a very long time. This Jeep already has the front fender liner there as well, and then has the rock lights that you can change colors, so makes me feel super cool. We already have some lights there on the Jeep, two that are going to shine forward and two that shine out to the side. Those are super helpful already when you're coming through a trail or we're off here on the property. Definitely shines right out to the side of the Jeep so you can see. Has a cover already on it. I'm going to switch out to the hard cover. This is a soft cover, but I'm going to switch out to a soft cover back here. No deck drawer system yet. Had the deck drawer system in my F-150 and really liked it, but don't currently have one. So maybe that's something I'm going to work on. I just had a Pelican case in there that has my SWAT gear, and then has my bag there, and then another backpack for our climbing. Before we bought this Jeep, we did let the kids sit in the back because we are losing a lot of space in the back for them, but they were both happy with it. Nice LWRC in the back seat. And then kind of taking me back to being a teenager, has a nice subwoofer in it. I did go and put my scanner in there. This is a really cool scanner because you can punch in the zip code and it automatically downloads all of the frequencies that are in the area. So I like that scanner. I've done a review on it. Has an aftermarket head unit as well. Cool display there, nice and big. Has a backup camera and has the ability to add multiple cameras. Has GPS, has mapping, some really cool stuff. And then I had something similar to this in my truck. This is a remote unit, so you can wire everything up under the hood, and then all you have is one wire coming into the dash that you can wire up your lights, things like that. So this is a neat product. Like I said, you can wire everything up under the dash. Keeps you from having to run 14 different wires through the dash, but this is a nice product. And then we are running the SOE visor cover as well. No seat covers on the Jeep yet. We had the covers and camo seat covers on the F-150, and when we took those seat covers off to sell the truck, it absolutely looked brand new on the inside. I'll show you some pictures here, but it was awesome. I was super impressed. Having kids in the back and everything like that, the seats look brand new, and I really feel like that helped the resale of the truck. So definitely looking to add seat covers to this one as well. And yes, we've already had the Freedom Tops off. Those are nice. We've had the doors off, so super cool. Thank you guys for coming along the tour of my new ride. I'm super excited. What's some things I should do to it? Kind of mentioned some things already that I'd like to do to it, but you guys let me know in the comments, especially if you already have a Jeep, have a Gladiator, what's some must upgrades that I need to do right now. So thank you guys for watching. You never know when you'll be the first responder. Remember, you need the right gear and the right training.